This is the secret that most people will not tell you about. You see this here, this will grow your hair very long, very thick, and very full. This will also grow your hair very black. Like, this is what most foreign women use, but they will not tell you about it. So guys, if you really know you want to grow your hair very long, very thick, you want to get rid of hair damage, hair breakage, your hair breaks a lot, your hair is always scratching you, and suffering from dandruff, your hair is always breaking, you want to get rid of that, and you want to grow your hair very thick and full, make sure you try out this recipe. This is very good for hair growth. So guys, in today's recipe, I want to share with you guys how to grow your hair very long and very full. This is tested and trusted. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure you get the 2 ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. Okay, what is the name of this leaf? I know many of you are wondering the name of this leaf. This is a guava leaf. This is a guava leaf. Guava leaf are full with nutrients that will help to grow your hair, and they will also treat your hair in as much as they are growing your hair. So guys, all you need to do is to get guava leaf. If you get guava leaf is very accessible. Like, you can get guava leaf. If you don't have it in your house, your neighbor might have it, so it's very accessible. Get your guava leaf, then you get onion. That's the 2 ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. When you get this guava leaf, then you get onion. Okay, then you plug your guava leaf, you peel your onion, you peel the back of your onion. Get a big onion. Okay, you can use 1, you can also use 2. 1 is also enough. Okay, as long as it's big, then you get it, you plug out the leaf. Okay, you plug out the leaf, then you peel your onion, you peel the back of your onion. Okay, so all you need to do after you are done peeling this, please make sure you wash it before you start. Make sure you wash it. Okay, then you get a very clean bowl that has cover. Let it have cover. Okay, you get a very clean bowl that has cover. Then you put this in that bowl and put your onion, chop your onion into small pieces. Then you put your onion in that bowl. You boil hot water because you'll be making use of hot water. Okay, then you pour hot water in it. Pour your hot water in it. When you pour your hot water in this mixture, you cover it. Okay, cover it. Do not allow the vapor to go out. Cover it and keep it in a very cool place. Keep it where it not have direct contact with the sun. Okay, then you keep it in a very cool place and allow it to cool. Okay, hold on guys, make sure you cover it. Okay, keep it somewhere to not have direct contact with the sun. Okay, with the sunlight, keep it in a very cool place. So after 2 days, that's when you'll be using this. After 2 days, please make sure you use hot water. Okay, hot water, so that it will extract all the nutrients, all the vitamins, all the nutrients in this leaf and in onion. Okay, so after 2 days, you have to extract the water. After 2 days, you remove this, you extract the water. You get a spray bottle or maybe a container, anything that is safe. You just get it and put it there. Okay, when you put it there, then you start using it. You can use this to wash your hair, you can use this to rinse your hair, you can use this as oil. It's water. You can use this to massage your hair. When you spray it on your hair, you massage it into your hair. Make sure it goes into your hair. You massage it into your hair. This is very good when it comes to growing your hair. This will grow your hair very long. Like, this is tested and trusted. If not, I will not come here to share it with you. This is very, very effective. This will not only grow your hair, this will also help when it comes to treating your hair issues. Like, if you have dandruff, your hair is always scratching you have rashes in your hair is always breaking, your hair does not grow, this will help to get rid of that. Okay, you can use this in a month. Use it as long as you want, as long as you can. Okay, it is very, very effective. Try it. You can even make research on this. Okay, guava leaf and onion, they are very, very effective when it comes to treating your hair and growing your hair. Okay, so that's why I said let me share with you guys today. This simple recipe is very, very effective and it will grow your hair like never. You can weave your hair, you can lose your hair, you spray it, then you massage it into your hair. Make sure it is properly massaged. You massage it into your skull, like let it touch your skull. You massage it into your skull. Okay, let it get to your hair roots. Okay, then you are good to try this out and watch out. After a month, before you start this, make sure you check your hair, take a picture. After a month, you try it, you check it again, you take a picture, you will see a very huge difference. It works for real. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please like the video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, here on my channel I talk about skincare, I do product review, I also talk about health care. Okay, so I also share tips sometimes on how to grow your own YouTube account. I also share real life stories. So there are a lot of things you have to benefit from this channel. Feel free to check out my other videos. So please make sure you subscribe if you want to learn how to grow your hair very long, thick, full. You want to learn how to take care of your skin. You want to learn about some products, because I do product review. Make sure you subscribe and join the family. My name is Amaka. See you on my next video. Bye guys.